The MEV XL has arrived at the University of Wolverhampton, and it's ready to earn top marks. Compact, fully electric and built with 50% more capacity and 50% more range. It's ideal for campus maintenance, facilities, and everyday operations. A huge thank you to the university staff for testing the vehicle and continuing their commitment to a cleaner, more sustainable environment. If you want us to visit you next time for a free demo, send our team an email at sales@myelectricvehicle.org.